Hi. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to use the color vowel chart on the card that you have. So what you have here are all of the English vowels. The card gives names and colors so you can indicate what color you hear or see based on the vowel sound. This shape is shaped like the IPA chart for vowels. IPA stands for the International Phonetic Alphabet. The chart is shaped in the positions of your mouth. So if I have the card holding here and I turn to my right, you'll notice, let me hold this here, that these sounds are the front of the mouth here. The sounds that we say here are coming from the front of the mouth, from this section of the mouth. The sounds in the middle are coming from the middle of the mouth, and the sounds on this side are coming from the back of the mouth. And then from top to bottom, this is the position of your jaw. The words at the top are pronounced up high, e, oo. And the words at the bottom, the sounds at the bottom, are positioned with the jaw dropping far down. Olive, black, oi. Look at how far my jaw is going down. So if I were to pronounce this line here, starting from green tea, watch my jaw drop. And notice how these sounds are in the front of my face. So, ready? E, green, I, silver, A, gray, E, red, black, A. E, I, A, A. Repeat after me. E, I, A, A. You see how my jaw drops as it goes from top to bottom? Now, if I go to the back sounds, let's do those together and notice how it drops. Oo, blue, wood, o, row, ow, brown, or, orange. Listen to these vowels. Oo, o, ow, or. Notice how my jaw keeps moving down over time. The two on either side are combinations of vowels. So the white one is I, A-E, but we say them quickly. I, white, tie. You can remember this word because it goes along with the word high. The word high has two vowel sounds, I, high. And on the side with the blue, it says turquoise, toy, oi, oi. Let's pronounce all of these sounds together. I'm going to start from the green tea. Work with me. Green tea, silver pin, gray day, red dress, black cat, purple shirt, a cup of mustard, olive sock, blue moon, wooden hook, rose coat, brown cow, orange door, white tie, turquoise toy. I'm going to just say the vowel sounds. E, I, A, A, ah, oo, o, ow, or, I, oi. To practice, use the words on the back. Each of these follow the color. And be sure you're able to indicate which of these vowel sounds you share with English and your language, and which of the vowel sounds you don't have in common that are new for you that you have to practice. Thanks.